Now, here in Texas, the decision will largely impact UT Austin, the only public university that still considers race in admissions in Texas.
Yeah, but several private universities in Texas will also be impacted because they too consider race. Among those schools is Austin St. Edward's University, Rice, and SMU.
Now, there are some Americans who feel like this is a setback for people of color. KVUE's Malia Masamoto is here now. Malia, you talked with a civil rights activist and attorney earlier today.
Yeah, that's right. Good evening, Brian Ashley. I talked to the president of the Texas NAACP, who feels that Texas has not lived up to its obligation with black and brown students, and he thinks this decision will just make it worse. Now, civil rights activists are also concerned that today's decision will turn back years of precedent and get rid of the progress that has been made in ensuring equal opportunities for all races. Now, the court overturned admissions plans at Harvard and the University of North Carolina. They voted 6-3 in the UNC case and 6-2 in the Harvard case. Justice Katanji Brown Jackson was among those who dissented the decision to strike down affirmative action, saying it is, quote, truly a tragedy for us all. Also in her dissent, she talked about how the decision would not apply to any military academies, saying it shows a bit of hypocrisy that they want equal opportunities for minorities to fight in a war, but not equal opportunities at our higher education institutions. Gary Bledsoe, the president of the Texas NAACP, also says the decision is hypocritical in not allowing for a diversity of thought in universities.
I think we all know is that segregated schools are breeding grounds for racism. And I think to the extent that you end up getting some kind of monolithic or close to monolithic type structure or enrollment in a university, that'll be to the disadvantage of all those students who are enrolled there.
Now, UT gave us a statement on the decision, saying in part, since the Supreme Court's 2016 ruling in Fisher v. University of Texas, the University of Texas at Austin has continued to recruit and enroll consistently stronger classes composed of students from diverse backgrounds and perspectives, and improved graduation rates among all students, especially those who are underrepresented or first generation. And said UT will make the necessary adjustments to comply with the most recent changes to the law and remains committed to offering an exceptional education to students from all backgrounds. And we also got statements from Texas State, St. Edward's, and ACC on today's Supreme Court decision. You can find the full statements. We'll have those on KVUE.com.